Largo. Currently passing Fort Myers. Actually, Puerto Wood, that's where we're coming up on. We already passed Fort Myers.
When we have good daylight, look how high the sun is.
By the time we get there, it'll be dark. So, it'll be fun. That's alright. So, yeah, so it's going to be a 2-night stay at the Key Largo Campground and Marina. Just inside the Keys, so not too crazy far down. We're not going to the end. Probably about halfway down tomorrow. Could do some kayaking and some sightseeing. So, keep it posted.
Watched the northern lights flash, took a photograph on a Paris street. Have you ever climbed a tall tree, asked someone for mercy, gave something away that wasn't free? I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're
Key Largo sign.
Look how beautiful the clouds are.
You can't see that in the video. We're officially on Key Largo.
Key Largo, why don't you go? I don't know the rest of it. Baby, why don't we go?
Bermuda, Bahamas, my pretty mama.
I don't know, that's before.
Baby,
We are not good.
To the Cocoa Mo. We'll get there faster, then we'll take it slow.
Key Largo Campground and Marina.
Basketball court. We got swings. You got a bocce court. You got shuffleboard courts. Oop, they got grills. And a volleyball court.
Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even to crash over Nazareth? Don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're stuck in your head. Is that really how it's gonna be? Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the
So pretty.
blink of an eye, you were gone. So for once in your life, try the deep blue water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once: have you ever really lived?
Handicap access to the beach.
Just be honest now. Is this really how you wanna go?
Birdie's got the crab in his mouth.
I think he's walking slow now because he thinks we're going to take him
Oh,
home.
there it is. Oh, he got away. Oh, he got him back. You can hear the crunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Oh, gone.
It's going to hurt when it comes out.
Yeah, no kidding. Dude, you're supposed to like crack it and get the meat out of the inside.
Have you ever really lived? You talk a big game, but it's just a matter of time. Have you ever really lived? We're all on the clock here. In the blink of an eye, you were gone. So for once in your life, try the deep blue water, feel the pull of whatever is out there, and ask yourself this once: have you ever really lived? Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that
Chasing a stingray. He's trying to get ahead of him so he can get the stingray on camera.
don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head.
Right.
Made it to the 1 mile marker. One way. Still got a ways to go. Wanna turn around? Because all that we gotta walk back.
I know.
And we're back. We did 2 miles.
We did it. We did it.
That means we only went halfway across.
We didn't have to put that in the video. We could have just been like, we did it. Look at the
Yeah, we did halfway across to Pigeon Key Island and turned around. Yeah, far enough. One done. One more to go.
Find your tubos.
Might want to put it up against the curb. Or not.
Have you ever used your hands to build something from scratch that wasn't even for you?
The campground over there.
Hear the waves are crashing over Nazareth. Don't you wanna see them? And I don't wanna get a vision of you stuck in my head, because I know that you were meant to be wilder. Another night of television while you're stuck in your head. Is that really how it's going?
We are at the railroad bridge. It's an old railroad. You see, there's one part of it here, and there's another part of it over there. I don't know if I'm recording because my kayak is turning, and I don't dare to touch the oars. But anyway, John is over there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I was able to turn the kayak around. So there's one end of the old railroad bridge, and then they don't let pedestrians on there, obviously, to a certain point. And then the other one, and then John is on the kayak. Itty space on the left hand side over there. And we just missed an escort on that bridge. Apparently there's been over 300 immigrants that have come up on dry tortugas in the last couple of days, and that's where they're going, is to escort them. It is so beautiful out here. We are by the 7 Mile Bridge in the water. This is cool. It's a video. We are in between the Atlantic and the Gulf Stream, the Gulf Coast, Gulf of Mexico. But in between the two bridges, you hear the cars. This is so cool. In the back of nowhere. It's been beautiful. I just want to video the property. This is site number 85. Make sure everything is clear, clean, put back the way we found it. It's an absolutely beautiful site. Power's off, water's off. And just so you could see off the back deck, this is our view. We're in the back of a Harbor Freight in Key Largo somewhere, and he didn't like the way the trailer was forward, so he researched last night, found one, and today he's putting it on. New hitch, Hallmaster. That's what he's gonna put on. Fancy.